and tie the string of lights. Find one end of the string. Take out the flower packet, stringing every flower together. Put it all on like this. Find the end near the light box. Start with the first bead, and twist and turn. And then just twist it like this until it's the right length. Once done, in a similar fashion, it takes about a few minutes. It's all done. Remove the plastic pins. Turn on the light. Cut off the excess lamp beads. Cutting off will not affect the use of the product. Find the light panel. Remove the protective film on one side. I'll keep the bottom one for now. Start fixing. You need a lighter. Take out the glue stick. Fix it from one side of the light box. Burn the glue stick with a lighter. Secure the wires to the panel. In a similar fashion, can be arranged to your liking. Then the basic shape comes out. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Find the blades. Brush the glue stick. A bit of glue from one side of the blade, fixed next to the flowers. Take out the kit of pink stones. Brush the glue stick. Glue a small stone, covering the top of the exposed line. Cover all the exposed areas. All posted. That's it. Take out the clear corner stickers. Take out the double-sided tape. Align it on each corner. When applying the sticker, be sure to align it and then press it. Tape it all up. Tear off the white part. Remove the bottom film as well. Attention when applying foot patches, to leave a gap for the light panel. Take out the other light panels. Remove all the film from the top, fixed to each side. Lamp and one side of the reserved appearing gap. Seal each face in turn. Done. Turn on the light and look at it. Can be flashed or fixed. Non-flickering. Take a look at the complete real